Hi guys, so today was the open house of our reading room and I just wanted to give a quick tour. So here is a work in progress. This is an author wall. So it has well not all, but lots of Black authors, and this is not nearly the amount that I want on this wall. So I think I'm gonna take this border off and open it up and put it to the end of the wall on both ends. And I actually painted this wall. It's a Sahara Desert color. It used to be this color down here, this white color, which as you can see I didn't do a really good job. I tried, but everything in this room was done by me, so I'm pretty happy about that. I tried to patch up the holes, as you can see. This is our Literacy Club bookshelf. So none of these books on here are for sale. These were either donated by authors or other people. Like some of these were donated by 50 States, 50 Books. We were the recipient for Oklahoma. And so those are these. And then this down here is just like a resource area. So for kids to research certain things, there's science experiments, nature books. This is for homeschool. This will be the lending library area, so teens and adults can check books out like a regular library. This is a little reading area, and I created these on Canva. This is just a page protector. I put the background on there and just added the font, which I think it came out really well. Those are reading. These are reading books over here. They're not going in the Literacy Club because they were signed for me, or signed to me, or signed to Mocha Books, so they're put over here to read. And I think I'm gonna add another bean bag in this section, because if I back up a little bit, there's a lot of space over there, open space, that I don't really like. And this is the bookshelf. I'm gonna have to add another. This is the bookshelf that books are for sale. So here are all the books. I have a 50-cent bargain basket that's there, and I'm gonna have lots more books. Before this I was working out of home, and I was running out of space, so I didn't like getting lots and lots of books. So now I have this space and I'll be adding lots more books, and there will be some books that are for sale in the reading room, but they won't be for sale on the website. So that's a benefit to coming in. I'm gonna get a little shelf, not a shelf, but a desk, because it's gonna be my little area. So this is like an informational area. Dry erase board. This is information about Mocha Books. This is reading tips and how to earn a free book. There's a book report on the back. This is flyers for authors. So if you have flyers or postcards or anything like that that you would like to send for us to hang up, you can go ahead and do that. And this is just a couple of photos. So this was taken on Greenwood next to the Black Wall Street mural. This is, my daughter's on here, so I really don't want to show that. This is when we went to go meet Rita Garcia, which is a wonderful author. And this is the dedication for this room. This is my grandfather and my oldest brother. They have both passed away, so this room is dedicated to them. So yeah, I just wanted to do a little quick tour. Literally all I have to do is, turn really quick like that, and that's it. But I just wanted to take you guys on a little tour. Thanks.